Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. Open Canva. Click on Template. One of the biggest advantages of Canva is its free templates library. You can find thousands of ready-made templates. These templates help you create designs much faster because you don't need to start from a blank page. You can find free templates for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, posters, resumes, flyers, and many more design types. Now find templates for YouTube thumbnail. Canva now gives thousands of templates of YouTube thumbnail. Now find templates for Instagram post. Canva now gives thousands of templates of Instagram post. Now find templates for posters. Canva now gives thousands of templates of poster. Search here presentation. Canva now gives thousands of templates of presentation. Now search business cards. Canva now gives thousands of templates of business card. If you found this helpful, please like the video and follow for the next Canva technique.